Are you tired of mindlessly scrolling through YouTube watching videos and making a penny from it? Well, what if we told you that you could actually make money while watching your favorite content creators? In this video, we're going to show you the best way to make money online by simply watching YouTube videos. In 2023, get ready to turn your binge watching sessions into a money-making machine. I'll be taking you through exactly what you need to do in this video. So be sure to pay close attention because I definitely don't want you missing out on important money-making details. Let's get right into it. So I know that you must be wondering how you can actually make cash simply by watching videos. Well, let me tell you about your game-changing website that we recently discovered called LemyourMoney.com. This legit site pays its users a whopping $100 per day just for watching videos. And the best part, you can watch your favorite YouTube videos to earn money. It might sound too good to be true, but trust me, it's not a scam. You can make money every single day just by following their instructions and watching videos. It's honestly a fantastic opportunity to earn some extra cash effortlessly that you definitely do not want to miss out on. And it's not just a one-time thing. You can continue to earn money every day just by watching videos. Okay, now that you're interested in making money through Lemyour Money, you might be wondering how to actually get started. Well, it's quite easy and straightforward, so no need to worry. The first step is to create an account, which won't take much time at all. I know some people find the process of signing up for a new website fiddly, but Lemyor Money has made it super simple and user-friendly. You'll be up and running in no time. And the best part is that you can start earning money immediately after signing up. When you go to the LemyourMoney.com website, you'll find the sign up button in the top right corner of the website's homepage. Simply click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you can enter your basic information, including your name, email address, and a password. It's important to use a valid email address because that's how you'll receive important updates and notifications from the site. Once you've created your account, all you have to do is watch videos, and Lemyor Money's algorithm will track your progress and credit your earnings accordingly. You see, money making through Lemyor Money is a breeze. As I mentioned earlier, sign up is a piece of cake, and you can start watching videos right away. Don't waste any more time. Head over to their website and start earning some extra cash today. Trust me, you won't regret it. But before you jump into watching videos, there's one important thing you need to keep in mind. Make sure to watch each video from start to finish. It may be tempting to skip over some videos, but Lemyor Money's algorithm requires you to watch every single video to credit your earnings. So if you want to make the most out of this opportunity, make sure to stay attentive and complete each video. Otherwise, your account could face some restrictions. This user unfortunately learned the hard way. Just check out their restricted account here, lemyourmoney.com/war-j-g. Trust us, you don't want to end up like them, but don't let that stop you from using Lemyor Money to make some extra cash. It's an excellent way to get paid for something you've probably already loved doing, watching YouTube videos, and the best part is you can even earn more money by referring your friends to the site. Referring your friends to Lemyor Money is a great way to not only help them earn some extra cash, but also earn yourself some commissions. It's a win-win situation that can really add up over time by referring your friends. You'll also have the opportunity to discover some new and exciting YouTube channels that you might not have found otherwise, and who knows, you might even be inspired to start your own channel and earn even more money through the site. Just remember, following the rules is key to earning money through Lemyor Money. Watching all the videos from start to finish is a must, and failing to do so could result in your account getting restricted. So make sure to play by the rules, refer your friends, and start earning some extra cash today. My points. Okay, so I also wanted to share with you some more websites where you can make money by watching videos. Although I have to be upfront with you. They don't pay as much as Lend Me Your Money. These sites can serve as a great backup option in case you want to explore new opportunities or earn some extra cash on the side. However, it's important to be aware that according to different Trustpilot reviews, some people have reported that these alternative sites might not be as trustworthy as they claim to be, with some even accusing them of being scams. But don't let that stop you from exploring these other options, as everyone's experience can be different. That being said, we do recommend sticking with Lend Me Your Money, which has received positive feedback from users who have already earned money through the platform. But there's no harm in trying out other options and seeing if they're a good fit for you. You never know, you might even find a new favorite website to earn money from watching videos. One popular platform is called My Points, and it's a great way to earn some extra cash or gift cards in your spare time. With My Points, you can earn points by watching videos, either on your desktop browser or through the My Points TV mobile app. The best part is that you can convert these points into gift cards, cash, or even travel points. All you need to do is select a playlist and watch it all the way through. It's that simple. However, there is a cap on the number of points you can earn per day. By watching videos on My Points, you can earn up to 500 points per day, but don't worry. You can earn more points by completing other tasks like printing coupons, playing games, or taking surveys. If you're interested in signing up for My Points, it's very easy to get started. All you need to do is provide your name and an email address, and you'll receive a 10 Amazon or Visa gift card when you create an account. How great is that? As I said before, some people have had mixed experiences with My Points. Some users have reported that they didn't earn as many points as they expected, or that it took a long time to accumulate enough points to redeem a reward. But like with any platform, your experience may vary. So if you're looking for a new way to make money online and you enjoy watching videos, My Points could be a great option for you to try out. Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. Nielsen is another option you might want to consider. It's an opportunity to make some extra cash by simply browsing the internet. Nielsen is a well-known data analytics company that provides TV ratings. But did you know that they also pay people for their online browsing habits? With Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel, you can earn $50 a year just by downloading the app, creating a username and password, and providing some basic information about yourself. Once you're all set up, you can start earning by simply browsing the website as you normally would. And don't worry, the app won't interfere your regular internet use. When you choose to get paid to watch videos with Nielsen TV ratings, you'll be sharing some of your browsing data with the company. This includes information about which websites you visited and how long you spent on each of them. This helps Nielsen gather data about internet usage, which they can use to provide insights to businesses and organizations. As well as a $50 annual payout, you may also become eligible for monthly sweepstakes. The company gives away $10,000, split between 400 winners, which means you could have a chance to win big just by using the internet. So why not give it a try? It's an easy and passive way to earn a little extra cash while going about your daily online routine, as it's not as much money. I would say to try this alongside Lend Me Your Money. Well, that's it for today's video on how to make money online by watching videos. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, if you want to earn some extra cash from sites like Lend Me Your Money, My Points, and Nielsen are definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit the like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on how to make money online. We're always on the lookout for new and exciting ways to earn extra cash. So be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. See you next time!